here we've got this memory foam lumbar support pillow here, and this is perfect for any kind of chairs, but right now I'm using it in my car because I am constantly going on long drives. So you're just going to adjust the strap according to however big your chair is. So something like a car seat might use a little bit more room, but if it's just an office chair, you can shorten that strap a little bit and then just buckle it up. So let's move the seat up, then place it back here, turn it around, and there you are. So once you've got this all in place, you can use it just like so, and it just gives you a lot of extra back support. And right now I have it with this thicker part on the lower end, so it'll give me a lot of lower back support. But if you need it up top a bit more, you can simply flip it over and then it'll give you a little bit of extra cushion on your upper back. So if you are looking for a way to kind of relieve a little bit of the stress of driving for a long time and just all the strain on your body, I will go ahead and grab one of these for your car or office chair to give yourself a little extra support.